Hey everyone, Paul here, and I feel like I've been hearing a lot about excitement with electric vehicles, but I got to thinking today, I'm like, wait a minute, like I haven't really heard anything about electric boats, and that really feels like it'd be an opportunity as well, especially when you think about one of the knocks on electric cars is the range, and you think about your average boat, people only want to take those a few miles a day at most, so a range with a boat would seem to be less of a limiting factor. So I said, okay, are there any publicly traded companies out there that are trying to have electric boats? Well, it turns out that there is, and there's this company called Vision Marine Tech. Well, let's go ahead and jump over and look at the graph here. So this is a company, we see that it just went public November 24th. The stock price has been compressed since that time, so it's currently trading down about 20% on here as we're showing it on Robinhood. Since it went public here, it's down to about $12.75. Okay, and now what we can also do is take a look at what the actual market cap of this stock is. So it has a market cap of only 66 million. So it's headquartered in Canada. It was founded in 1995, but 66 million. I mean, like if this is going to do well, this is giving you an opportunity to get on the ground floor with a company like this. And let's take a look at some of their financials here. So this is on their investor relations site, but we're able to kind of take a look at their revenue. So this is where the updated reports that were out there. They're still showing information from February 2020, but we can still get a sense of the size of the company. And in fact, from 2019 to 2020, looking at the end of February, the sales really contracted quite substantially. So in 2019, they had over $1 million in sales for the first 6 months, and then for the 6 months ending in 2020, they had 436,000 in sales. So I feel like a lot of times too when I'm looking at these statements, you're thinking about, oh, these are shown in thousands or millions, but no, like these are the numbers for this company, and they just are that small. But we can also take a look at the investor presentation. And what I think is interesting here is we see the letters of interest. So here the company is actually saying that, in total that they've got a letter of interest for up to 1,025 units. Okay, and that they're also saying that they're expecting to manufacture 150 power boats in the 12 months following the close of their equity sale or close of the IPO. Well, let's just do some quick math. So let's do some quick math with that, right? So if we were going to say that they're able to produce 150 boats, and they're saying that their average selling price is going to be about 100,000. Okay, so let's multiply that out. And we can say, okay, they would sell about 15 million if they were able to truly, in the next 12 months, capitalize on this. And that's not even taking into account their powertrains as well. But with that 15 million, and then of course we know that they're currently trading with a market cap of about 66. So we just do that quick math, and we can say that if they were able to achieve these sales, they'd be trading at a price to sales multiple of about 4.4. And certainly, when we kind of think about the price to sales multiple, if they were able to achieve that growth, I think that they should be trading at a much higher multiple than that. So certainly not hard to imagine that if they're able to hit those targets and they're able to really manufacture and sell that many boats within the next 12 months, that they could easily be worth double where they are today. And that's also, you have to take into account with a company like this is that it doesn't really have a lot of publicity yet. So when you have a company that's only worth about 66 million, a lot of people still haven't heard about it yet. So again, like I said earlier, I feel like this is really an opportunity, if you believe in this space, to get in on the ground floor. But this is also something I'm really going to be planning to do more research on in the future. I want to dig in deeper. I want to, see some more quarters of financials with this company. But definitely going to be on the radar. But I just wanted to put a quick video together just in case you haven't heard of this. I think this would be an interesting stock for a lot of you guys to look at. So thanks for watching. And if you like this content, you want to see future videos, you want to see the future updates about this stock and others, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and see you next video.